birthday, Sister Dailin Flores. Wish ko sa'yo na lahat ng dreams and desire mo, ipagkaloob na ng Ama in His perfect and timing will. At syempre, stay cold, obedient, loyal, and dedicated to our Almighty Father through His appointed Son, Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy. At stay healthy in and out. At the more ka pang magpagamit sa Ama, sa kanyang dakilang kalooban. At ito, sana din na mag-enjoy ka sa araw mo ngayon, sa araw ng iyong kaarawan. Once again, happy birthday. At wish ko, parang may birthday, no? See you next year sa inauguration ng Kingdom. Happy birthday, Sister Dailin!